Hi, welcome to English speaking practice. Hey, Tina, is it you?
Oh, Rita, how are you? It's been a long time.
I'm fine. What about you? Yes, we last met during the board exams. I'm good too. What are you doing now? Well, I have started my undergraduate studies in English honours at St. Xavier's College in Mumbai.
Wow, you finally got to study the subject you loved the most in school.
True. What about you, Rita? Wasn't history your favourite subject? You guessed it right. I took up history honours in Lady Shri Ram College for Women in Delhi. That's nice. I am so happy for you. I'm happy for you too. Let's meet up again soon. Yes, sure. We have a lot to catch up on. Bye for now. I have to pick up my sister from tuition. Take care. Bye. We'll see you soon.